Hi everybody, Sin City here and welcome back to my channel! Yay! So I got another fun little video here for you today. I recently subscribed to the Allure subscription box. I had seen a lot of other YouTubers do this, you know, they seem to be kind of hit or miss, but when I saw what was in the box this month, for 10 bucks, I figured, you know, for 10 bucks and everything that's going to be in it, I can't go wrong. So I went ahead and got it. Let's see. I think this is the December box. I think I got it at the right time where I was going to get the December box and not the November box. So in case you haven't seen the spoilers, I'm not going to say anything, but it's pretty good. All right, you guys ready? As you can see, it's still got the shrink wrap on it. I have saved it for you guys, and we are going to dig in. All right. It's my favorite part. All right. The box looks like this. It's very, very nice. It's got this nice kind of shimmery mirror thing going on here. And the box is really, really sturdy. It's reusable. I think it's kind of very similar to the Birchbox. I actually think it's sturdier than the Birchbox. So it's definitely reusable if you need some extra boxes to store your makeup or samples or what have you. You can put your weed in it. All right, open it up here. Let's see what we got. A little pamphlet here that I believe has a little description of all the items in the box. Yes. We won't look at that right now. Let's just dive right in. Some pretty red paper. Okay, the first thing that we got is Believe in Truth Hungarian water essence. Focus, bitch. It's an aqua-based formulation, increased hydration level, dermatologically tested. And when I walked into Sephora yesterday, one of those bitches tried to put this on my skin, and I was like, no, thank you. But it's nice stuff, and Belief is a pretty good brand, Believe in Truth. So, well, I'm kind of excited to try that. Put that down. Okay. The next thing we got here is Tarte High Performance Naturals Rainforest of the Sea Color Splash Lipstick. Let's open this up here. Tarte lipstick. He was telling me to show the box. I was like, I didn't show the box. I showed the box. Oh, that's very nice. By the items that I got in this box, I'm starting to think that this is the November box and not the December box. And I'll tell you why at the end of the box. But that is very nice. It's a very nice reddish. It's called Miami Vice. Miami Vice, all right. And it's a full-size lipstick, actually. It's nice. The next item we have here is the Gentle Peeling Exfoliant from e.l.f. That I'm actually kind of excited about because I've been finding as I get older, I have more textured skin and I need something that is kind of a daily use exfoliant that I can use to kind of get that extra dead skin that is just hanging out there. So I'm excited to try that. It is a full size. I will open this up for you so you guys can see it. I'm pretty positive that this is the November box, which is okay. That means I'll get 2 boxes this month. Because I got it kind of mid-month last November, so that's why I'm thinking that I did get the November box. And there's what she looks like. It's a pretty baby blue, which you can't see in the monitor there. And moving on. Clean Sweep, way more than a cleanser from Curology. This does not look like a full size. It looks like a deluxe sample. Excited to try that. I'm always up for a new good cleanser. Massage onto damp face and neck. Use morning and night. Nothing new, fantastic about those directions. It's pretty standard. Okay, the next product we have is, I have no idea how to pronounce this. R-A-E-K-A, maybe Rekha? It's an illuminating turmeric polish. So it is a facial scrub, which I'm very excited to try. Like I told you, I have very dry, crusty skin, and I definitely need to exfoliate. So excited to try that. It's kind of a deluxe sample. The next thing we got, it is Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Cream Hydrating Moisturizer. Wow, say that 3 times fast. I dare you. 30% hyaluronic acid complex hyaluronic acid complex. There we go. Draws atmospheric vapor, helps lock in hydration for up to 72 hours for all skin types. Cool. I'll use it. I'll try it out. I'm always up for a good moisturizer. And the last product that was in the box is a Laura Geller eyeliner, Incredible waterproof gel eyeliner pencil in Green River. And it does look like it is green according to this color here. I'll give a little swatch. The packaging's kind of cute. It's a little pointy and it's got a little finger grip here. Or you can kind of, you know, have that nice little extra grip there. And if you can see that tip, it is very, very green. I'll swatch it for you here. Maybe a little bit more. It is pretty dark, so if you want to use it as a base eyeliner, I'd say go ahead. It might look really good with a green eye look or something complementary to that. Actually, it's really pretty. And it goes on really nice. It goes on really smooth. It's not hard. It glides on like butter. I'll probably get some use out of this. And that was the last thing that was in the box. Now, the reason why I did say that I believe that this is the November box is because the December box actually has a collab with Anastasia, ABH, the big ABH, right? So I don't want to spoil the surprise, so I won't tell you exactly what items are. You know, y'all got Google. You can look it up. You probably will after this. But that's why I know that this is not that box, because there's no ABH products in there at all. So I got the November box. Is this box as good as that next box? Definitely not. Is this box as bad as some of their other boxes that I've seen unboxings of? No, this is somewhere in the middle. Was it worth 10 bucks? Yeah, I'd say so, because this alone is worth 10 bucks. And I will definitely use this. And it's something that I might have bought on my own, actually. So there is that. All right, everyone, that is the end of the box. And that means that this is also the end of this video.